welcome back to Let's Mom. So today's video is going to be about frugal gift wrapping, and I've got all of my gift wrap stuff out and I've been wrapping presents, and I just thought I'm going to show them a little video about a few little things that I do, some tips. I'm going to show you a couple of packages that I did completely for free, just using stuff I already had on hand. Alrighty, so let's get started. We're talking about frugal gift wrapping. You've already went to the store, you've bought all your presents, and probably most people are almost done. I'm always late to the game. I have good intentions. I usually get started early, but I'm not a big fan of shopping. So usually what happens is I get burnt out. Halfway through, my momentum just goes down and I'm just done with shopping, which is what I am right now. So I'm over shopping. I'm over shopping. My whole bunch stuck. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I don't spend a lot of money on gift wrapping material. I feel like the holidays are full of spending money. The last thing I want to do is go to the store and drop expensive amounts of money, drop a lot of money on gift wrapping. One thing that I do, and I will take the camera off and I'll show you. I keep everything. I keep everything. My kids get presents during the holidays, for birthdays. I keep all the bags. And I have a pretty decent collection of bags. I have Christmas bags. I have a blue bag that could go Christmassy. It could also be a birthday gift. I also have bags that would work for baby showers. I mean, let's see how many I have. Oh, I'm going to show that in a second. Let's see. I'm just going to show you the collection of bags that I have. I even have holiday bags. I mean, I even have Halloween bags. Does anyone give presents for Halloween? We're getting there. Hold on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, I need to put this in my car. Okay, so I have all of these bags that I've saved. I've not bought one of them. Not one of them. All of these have been given to either my kids or myself. And yeah, so they're all like different occasion bags. So keep your bags. There's nothing wrong with them. Why would I go spend, even if you go to Dollar Tree, spend $1 for one bag? It's even got jingle bells. Listen to that. That's so cute. So keep the bags. Now, okay, question. What are we going to do about this? It's already been written on. Well, you could rip it off, but it has such a cute jingle bell. So I have an idea. I know I have scissors somewhere. Oh, there they are. They're right in front of me. So what I like to do, and what you can do, is take the tag off, because it's such a cute tag. Just trim it right off. I saved these. These were from a birthday party. I think these were my daughter's birthday treat bags. She had a Ghostbusters theme. And so it's sort of that Ghostbustery like slime green, but you can jazz it up. Look, we could take and glue this to it. And now look how cute this bag is. Completely for free. But look at that. Look how stinking cute that looks. Just glue it right there, and then you can put goodies in here, treats. If you're just giving like a small gift, you could put nail polish and like a gift card in there. But look how that just jazzed that right up. I think that looks really things like that. I keep the treat bags. This green will work perfectly for Christmas when you add a little pop of red or blue to it. The other thing that I like to keep, well, I have a bunch. I just can't find them all. But we'll use this as an example. Oh, here's one. The little goodie bags that my kids bring home Christmas treats in from like their holiday party, or if just a friend brings treats, I save the bags because usually there's nothing like open in the bag. It was just wrapped wrapped candies. So you just save the bag, and then you can do the same. You could put treats in it. You could make cookies and take to a neighborhood friend. But they're just, why would you throw them away? They're perfectly good. The other thing that I like to keep, and it's going along with the bag theme, is when you go shopping somewhere and they give you these type of bags. These are fantastic to give a Christmas gift in. So I do have this one, and it does have like a logo on it, but again, we could do the same thing. We could find something and cut and put like a decorative item over it and glue it, and it would be just fine. You could even take, I mean, we're getting pretty crafty here, I have to say, but I'm trying to find a good example. So you could maybe do, I mean, this isn't really a good example, but I'm just kind of showing you. You could take, this is a Christmas card, and you could cut and do some sort of like decorative thing and glue that right over if you wanted to. Or you could just go buy stuff from this place and put. The point is, I don't throw these away because I could do something with this. I know I can. Keep these type of bags. When you go shopping somewhere, a lot of those local businesses will put your items in these cute little brown paper bags, and I think these are great to give a gift to somebody in. They're so stinking cute. You can use a little tissue paper. And where are my tags? And then I have these really cute tags, and I've had these for so many years. So say you wanted to add a little pop of color, you could, that's why I keep a hole punch, because I like these type of tags. You can hole punch it. I just have really cheap basic string on hand because it looks really cute with it. And then you can have it hang down and it looks super cute. The other thing that I like to have is basic like lunch sacks. I think these are great for putting gifts in, and I'm going to show you an example. And this is a decorative one. I've had these probably about 12 years, and I'm finally getting to use them. I don't know why I don't use them as often as I should, but they're so stinking cute. They have like holly, and I think this is supposed to be maybe like a Christmas cookie. I'm not sure. But I put this together, and this is for a teenager. And I put one of the little cute tags on there with the string. And I just like to staple these and then hole punch the bag. Of course, hole punch the tag. And then you've got such a cute little gift. I'm pretty proud of this. I'm not a crafty person, and I feel like this is pretty good for me. But I think it looks so sweet, looks so cute. And you can totally do this with, you don't have to have a decorative one. You could do them with the lunch sacks, and it would look really stinking cute. You can put the little embellishments on it, like I was saying. I had a really cute embellishment that I took off of a present. Now I don't know where it's at. I seen it in here earlier, and I was like, I want to show that. And now I don't know where it's at. I don't know. But you could definitely do something like one of the, like the little tag, like I was saying, on it, and it would turn out really cute. But another good thing with these is if you have kids and you're giving, like, say, you know, these would be great to put goodies in it for like a neighbor. You could package up cookies or brownies, but your kids can decorate that bag, put stickers on it and draw Christmassy pictures and stuff. So I think these are a great thing to have with all of your wrapping, gift giving material. The other tip that I have, and I feel like this video is all over the place. I think it is, but the other tip I have is buy wrapping paper that can work for not just Christmas, but birthdays and anniversaries and even baby showers. You can do so much with a nice black and white wrapping paper. So I picked this up. I think it's so cute. This is my daughter's birthday present. Her birthday's in a week or so. And this is just this was ribbon I had from Easter. And I had a few bows left over from last year that I used, and I don't have any more, and that's fine. I probably won't get any more. And then for her tag, I just took one of my Christmas cards and cut it and bent it so that I could make, just use the white part of it. And I made a little happy birthday tag. And I mean, I'm not saying I'm a professional wrapper by any means, obviously, but this is such a great tip. Buy wrapping paper that isn't just Christmassy. and that way you can use it for other occasions if you don't use it all at Christmas. And I loved this wrapping paper. You can definitely make it girly and make it like a birthday wrapping. You could jazz it up for a baby shower, or you can do it for Christmas. So just wanted to show that. Now I did buy, I think I've spent a total of $5 on wrapping material. I got a couple of rolls of wrapping paper and some tape. And that's all I've gotten for this year. Everything else I already had. One good tip with tissue paper is to buy plain tissue paper. Anytime that you buy just plain tissue paper, it's going to be way cheaper. And of course you can use it for every occasion. So this is the best bang for your buck. Just using some I had on hand. I did find some decorative wrapping or tissue paper that I got. I think I got this on clearance last year. So plenty of tissue paper. Another cool thing that you can wrap presents with is just packing paper. Like, this would be so stinking cute to use. You can wrap it, it's nice and durable. So if you are wanting to wrap it and then mail it, this is gonna be a great durable material to use. You can wrap it up and then add some cute bows, and it would look so cute. It would be so farmhousey. And if you are someone who likes more of that traditional sort of look, this is great to use. I love this. So as far as like cards go, I purchased a long time ago. I don't give out a ton of cards. I usually, if I'm giving a gift, I will put a card with it. But my kids like to write a card out to their friends at school and their teacher. And so I do like to have them on hand, but I'm so bad. I always forget to do cards, and then it's the last minute and it's too late. But I had purchased like a bunch of cards at a thrift store. They were, I think I got 4 of these, and this has been years ago. And 4 boxes, 4 for $1, and I've had cards ever since. So I just try to get things when they're on clearance after Christmas. I think that's the best time to stock up on stuff. And this year, instead of throwing the bags away or leaving them behind at your aunt's or uncle's house, take them with you. Reuse them. I don't have any fancy organizational thing going on. I just keep them in this, I'll show it to you. I'll pick the camera up and show you in a minute. But I just have them in a tote here, and usually if I have wrapping paper left over, I just kind of set it up in my closet. So it's nothing fancy, but it saves me a lot of money. I mean, even down to like reusing birthday stuff. I just have everything in here, and when the holidays come or if I need to give a gift, I have all these bags to choose from. I can make something work from it. But I also was gonna say, like, I mean, I just save all kinds of cards. My mom and I like to go to Williamsburg, and where we've stayed at the one of their hotels, they always send me like Christmas cards. And so that's what I have, tags that they sent and Christmas cards. And so I just save them. And then I have, if I need to give a card, I can do that. I love Oriental Trading. That's where these cute bags came from. Oriental Trading has some of the most affordable things on there. I just love looking at their site. And I had gotten these like gift card holders. I can't see what I'm doing, but you just basically can open it up and put the gift card here and put a little message in there, and it come with a like envelope. So Oriental Trading is a great place to look for some fun little cards and cute little bags to package up your little goodies to give out. What else? Oh, here's another one. This one's really cute too. And this came from Oriental Trading, and you just put the gift card right in there. And it also came with a little envelope. A quick little DIY thing I'm going to show you. So if you have, the sticker tags are super, super cheap. You can get a package of them, and these are from last year, but you can get like a package of them for 99 cents. And then if you wait for them to go on clearance after Christmas, you can get them really, really cheap. But if you're wanting to make a hard, thick tag, and all you have is the stickers, with your tag, your sticky tag, right? And you're just going to peel it right off. We're gonna, just like that. And then you're just gonna cut it. Now, I do have like the decorative scissors somewhere. I think my daughter has them. Okay, so we've got our tag on the poster board, and I wanted to show you, I have these like decorative scissors, and I got them back long ago when I thought I was going to be a scrapbooker. Yeah, not so much, but I do have them, and this would be perfect to cut around. So I'm going to show you. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to see what this little scalloped edge looks like. So you just cut around it. And the reason I'm cutting around it is to give myself room for hole punching. Now, I'm not a crafter by any means, so anyone will do a better job than I will. But I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what you can do on a budget. Probably have way more supplies than I do, but that's what it looks like, and we'll hole punch it. There we go. Look how cute that looks. It's not super even. Cut a little bit on the side to make it a little bit more even. There we go. Man, that looks really cute. So now we have a tag. So basically we just turned the little sticky tag into a harder tag. So now you could put some ribbon through that and hang it from a package. So other really great uses for wrapping presents are mason jars. You can even use scrap material. If you are a sewer and you have material that's extra, you can take, I don't have any because I'm not a sewer, but if you had some, you could put the present in it and then take and pull all the sides up and then just tie it with a cute bow. And you, obviously this isn't a cute bow, but it's just a hot mess. But if you know how to make a bow, your tip is to make sure that you're not throwing away wrapping paper scraps. So you never know what kind of present you could have, the perfect present to wrap in this amount of wrapping paper. This is leftover from last year, and this is leftover. Look how cute that is. So I save all the scrap paper because you just don't know. You might have the perfect, this was from many years ago and I still have it, and I did wrap some presents with it this year. So save all that scrap paper, don't throw it away. Quick look at the bin that I keep all of my gift wrap in. Have some dinosaur wrapping paper from so many years ago. And it's so simple. I slide it, I keep it under my daughter's bed just because I really like to have it here in the house, and I don't really have a super great place to store it, so I just keep it up under her bed, and then that way if I have a birthday or baby shower or Christmas, I can easily unroll. It just rolls right out from underneath the bed, and I can find all of my stuff super easily. Hopefully when we move, I'll have a much better place to store things, and I can, have a room to put all this stuff in. I'd like to have something where I could store the wrapping paper so that it doesn't get all bent and all that kind of stuff. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you some tips and just encouraged you to use what you have. Look through your house. I'm sure that you have loads of stuff. You probably have way more than I do. I'm not someone who keeps a lot, but I do like to keep these items because I feel like during the holidays, that's one of the last things that I want to have to spend money on because I'm already spending a lot. So I hope that that encouraged you, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you enjoy my channel and my content, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.